Are you struggling to send an image along with request data from your Node.js app to another server? You're not alone. This is a common challenge many developers face, and today we're going to solve it together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you have everything set up, but the data just won't send correctly. It's like preparing a delicious meal only to find out you forgot the main ingredient. You're definitely in the right place to get this sorted out. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked how to post an image stored in MongoDB as binary data along with JSON request data to another API. They provided the JSON format they need to send, but they're stuck on how to combine the image stream with that data. Sound familiar? Let's dive in. So what's the issue here? The challenge lies in sending both the image and the JSON data in a single request. This requires using the right content type and formatting the request correctly. Don't worry, we will break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will make your API interactions even smoother. To send an image along with request data, the user should use the form data module. This allows for easy construction of multi-part form data. First, the user needs to install the form data package. Next, the user should require the form data module in their code. This will allow them to create a new instance of form data to append both the image and the JSON data. Now the user can create a new form data object. They should append the image data and the JSON data to this object. The image data should be appended as a binary stream. After preparing the form data, the user should update the request options to include the correct headers. This includes the headers from the form data instance. Finally, the user should write the form data to the request and end it. This will send both the image and the JSON data to the specified API endpoint. Fun fact, did you know that the first image ever uploaded to the internet was a picture of a band called Les Horribles Cernettes? It's amazing how far we've come in sharing images online. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user suggests adding the body directly to your request. This body should include your JSON data, which contains the client information and metadata. Additionally, the user questions the use of setTimeout and the res.send function, pointing out that the res variable is not defined in the provided code. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always check the API documentation for the correct format and requirements for sending data. This can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to post an image along with your request data successfully. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.